layunin ng bagong Pilipinas ay maglatag ng mga mithiin na dapat natin makamtan para sa kinabukasan ng ating bayan. It is a call for transformation. The transformation of our idea of being a Filipino and the transformation of our economy, of governance, of society.
In Germany, a call to transformation echoes through the Filipino community, inspiring hope and unity. It's time for us to end the culture of negativity and embrace a new era of self-affirmation and mutual encouragement. Through the Bagong Pilipinas Awareness Campaign, the positive aspects of the Filipino diaspora is highlighted, showcasing our competence, adaptability, resilience, and compassion.
The Bagong Pilipinas is a call for transformation. The transformation of our idea of being a Filipino. The transformation of the way we present ourselves to each other and to the rest of the world. It is the transformation of our economy, governance, and the whole of society. The Bagong Pilipinas is anchored on the Philippine Development Plan, our country's overall guide for development planning for the next 6 years, which is based on the President's development agenda and geared towards the attainment of the Philippines' long-term development goals.
Here are the current administration's 8-point socio-economic agenda. Food security, improved transportation, affordable and clean energy, healthcare, social services, education, bureaucratic efficiency, sound fiscal management. So, what is the Bagong Pilipinas? It is calling the attention of the nation and of the world to everything that is good, noble, distinctive, and lovable about the Filipino and the Philippines. It is rejecting the prevalence of negativity, including our self-depreciation as a people and perennial distrust of government. It is engaging the people in continuing dialogue, conversation, and consultation so that they are co-architects of the future of the country. It is engaging both government and the people in a covenant, with both sides assuming responsibilities and both sides according each other trust and respect. It is the adoption of excellence as an uncompromising standard. It is the resoluteness of government about forging ahead on all fronts, particularly in those areas that need most attention, engaging the private sector so that the responsibility for progress is not governments alone. Bagong Pilipinas is the confidence in the future of our country. How does a Bagong Pilipino look like? The qualities of the Bagong Filipino: discipline and punctuality, prudence in spending, continuous learning and growth, patience and emotional maturity, integrity and honesty, hard work and resilience, discerning truth from misinformation, stewardship over natural resources, faith and spiritual development, unity and bayanihan spirit.
The Philippine Consulate General in Frankfurt enjoins all our kababayans in Germany to share in the President's vision of Bagong Pilipinas. Kaya sama-sama po nating harapin ang ating kinabukasan tungo sa Bagong Pilipinas.